Hey, what is up, you guys? We are currently on the Universal Studios Hollywood backlot for a little preview of the Nope attraction, the Jupiter's Claim area that is coming to Universal Studios Hollywood on the backlot. Right now, it's just a little party setting. Gonna get some food and drink, but then we're gonna check out Jupiter's Claim, which I'm very excited for. There's the whole party set up on Wisteria Lane, but we are gonna go jump on the shuttle by those wacky waving inflatable arm filling tube bands and head over to Jupiter's Claim, because I want to see it before it gets too crowded. Is that you? Are you a inflatable tube man?
Yeah, it's getting a little strange up there.
All right, we are on an empty shuttle. We're gonna have Jupiter's Claim all to ourselves. Woo! Bye, tube men. See you soon. We'll be back. Pulling up to Jupiter's Claim. We have arrived.
Welcome y'all to Jupiter's Claim.
We made it to Jupiter's Claim! Oh my god. I just hope there's nothing in the sky. So I have actually seen a screening of Nope. A lot of people here haven't, so I know what's going on here. I feel like it would be wild to come here without knowing, but I know all the secrets. So Jordan Peele's here. He's part of Jupiter's Claim. He is now a citizen. I do want to check out the winking well. Usually you could take a photo in the winking well. I am so overwhelmed in Jupiter Claim right now. What is going on?
Thank you.
There are so many things happening. I got coins.
This is a legit
Got all these carny games. Are you winning?
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, it happens.
I think you were better at the barrel game.
I got 2 more jangles. I got 3 jangles total. I want 10. I want 10 because then I can get a jacket.
Yeah, I want this.
Yeah. Come on, Tiffany, win those jangles.
Win that jingle, jangle, jingle, girl.
You got it. You got it.
All that white up under.
Oh.
That's what I'm telling you.
That was good.
Extra weight up on there and that sucker goes. That weight up under. Oh my God, I see my one I got you.
Straight to the roof. It's a jangle, jangle, jangle. One in time. Did you turn in your jangles?
I turned in my jangles.
Oh, she's a Jupiter Claim babe.
A bandana.
I did too. I'm wearing it. I turned in all 10 of my jangles, and I got another Nope hoodie. Now I got 2.
Clean it up, sir.
Yeah, I am. Also, like, the entire cast is here, so just chilling in Jupiter's Claim with the entire cast and Jordan Peele. This is fun. Those are good dance moves.
Thank you. You want to watch it again?
Yeah, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be on someday. I don't need my dance move. We'll be on someday.
Beautiful. Thank you. I think I'm obsessed with Jupiter's Claim. I'm sad this is not like a full experience that everyone could experience because the tours are gonna just run through here. But Jupiter's Claim is a good time. I hope nothing comes from the sky, you know? Are you okay?
Yeah, don't worry.
What just happened? What's going on? Oh, there's something happening.
Hey, is something happening at your shop?
Oh, something's happening. What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, things are falling from the sky! Oh!
What is that?
Oh no!
Don't look up.
What? All the town is freaking out right now. Oh, hey! Oh! I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Kiki girl, bro! Oh my god! Kiki, help us! You've been through this before!
Not Kiki, help us!
okay, it's okay. You know what? I think everything's fine.
I guess.
There was some things falling from the sky, but that's fine.
I don't know,
It's a
man.
normal.
When people run, I run. I don't know.
I think we're good. I think we're good. Unfortunately, the Star Lasso experience is going through a little problem over here. What happened here? Was it like an earthquake or something?
Sometimes it happens.
Yeah. But what happened here?
There was a weather phenomenon a few days ago.
Okay, okay.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
We weren't here when it happened.
Yeah, so no one knows.
No one
It's probably like a little tremor.
It just happens here.
Yeah,
We don't
yeah,
really know.
yeah,
but
yeah. It's fine.
We have fun regardless.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
How you doing here,
I'm
man?
doing great.
You making some money? You
Oh,
making
yeah,
some
making some
jangles?
jingle jangles, you know.
Come on, man. Listen.
Something
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm
that
already
looks
happy.
gorgeous.
I'm a happy
There we
camper.
go, man.
Oh my God, look at this pony. What is its name?
This is Clarence. And he
Clarence.
likes to dance. He's a dancing horse.
He's so cute.
Yeah, he's got a jingle jangle. You want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. That's amazing. Listen, my favorite thing about Jupiter's Claim is there's a bunch of people here, and role playing is fun.
And we love Marianne.
Like I like going around. Oh, hi Chuck.
Daniel, you doing all right?
Just making friends with everyone in Jupiter's Claim. That's how you do it. All right, now that we've done a lot of stuff, I'm gonna just go through a full walkthrough of Jupiter's Claim here. So now when the tour comes through, you're not gonna be able to stop. The tour will just like we'll just like drive through the center here. So, what's happening? We got another weather phenomenon. I think we're fine.
Oh, all right, we good. Okay.
We're good.
Just wanted to
Something's happening. Hello? What? Yeah. Oh my God.
All right, who's got some jangle?
I feel like we've now reached Jupiter Claim towards dusk. And it might be able to get a little more creepy here. I don't know. Oh, someone stole something. Chelsea's shooting the baby. She shot babies before.
Oh, okay.
It did.
Give that baby a haircut.
I feel it.
We have a winner.
Bye, baby.
Jingle, jangle, jingle, duck gold.
Obviously, again, I think all this will make more sense once you've seen the movie, so don't miss it. July 22nd. We're on a mission for a harmonica player.
I heard rumor you got a harmonica.
We've had at least 3 conversations tonight, and you haven't told me once. Can you juggle and play the harmonica? Do you do this at the same time? Is there a reason you can this information?
My goodness, I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. Well, I do play the harmonica. I just don't like to brag. You know, be braggadocio, as they say.
As they say.
But I can
Somebody's
play.
got to.
Somebody's got to. Oh, and that's sweet. And she the sweetest, the prettiest little thing. Yes, I've known to play once or twice, but I don't like to brag.
But you don't want to play for the mayor's daughter? I feel like that demands an audience.
I've done played for the mayor's daughter. Click. Oh, this is a nice song, is it, darling? You want to dance? I think we should, you know, the 2-step. Oh, it's very easy.
Oh, we got a full dance lesson. All the residents of Jupiter Claim are so fun. I hope nothing bad happens to them. Oh, he's a juggler too.
Y'all. I don't know, it's gonna make me drop a 6 as I'm
Oh no! It happens, it happens. All right, we're all doing a winking well photo now. The crew's all here. Kiki, get in it. Look how cute we all are. We all look like we should be part of the Kid Sheriff show. All right, it is getting dark now. We spent like almost 2 hours here in Jupiter's Claim. Might head back over to the party area, although this is the best area. Bye, inflatable dudes. I'll miss you. So unfortunately, the party was just a bunch of food and drinks, which is basic, but we had a ton of fun at Jupiter's Claim. Make sure you check out Nope in theaters on July 22nd, as well as on the studio tour here at Universal Studios Hollywood on the same day. Thank you guys for joining me. Thanks for my friends. For joining along. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys real soon. What's in the sky?